everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching two trailers. So the first one is of an upcoming film which stars Asif Ali and Anaswara. Now this film is called Rekha Chitram. It's been 2 weeks since the trailer released, so I am late, my bad. And the second film, yes, it's a success trailer. It's the Marco success trailer because I feel that Unni is everywhere, which is great. I mean, I'm so freaking happy for him. I think I recently watched an interview. I don't know which channel. There's one channel which was in YouTube. I watched it yesterday, and there is another interview which is in Gujarati. I had no idea. I didn't know he grew up in Ahmedabad, so there he's speaking quite fluent Gujarati and everything. So I was quite taken aback and very pleasantly surprised. And that's when I found out that he actually grew up in Ahmedabad for quite some years. So that's why he's so fluent. Great that he is getting this amazing recognition. I'm so happy for him. So it just makes sense for me to react to the success trailer because I think we'll have a couple of scenes from the film. Of course, this is going to be completely different from the official trailer which released pre-release of the movie. So yeah, let's watch Rekha Chitram first and then we will enjoy the Marco success trailer. Let's begin. Oh, thriller?
പൊതുവെ രാജേന്ദ്രൻ എങ്ങനെയുള്ള ആളായിരുന്നു?
Oh, he's the police officer.
തൃപ്തിയില്ലാത്തൊരു മനുഷ്യൻ.
ഞാനതാരാ വിളിച്ചിട്ടിരുന്ന അവിടെ മാത്രമല്ല വേറെ പല സ്ഥലത്തും വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
നിന്നെ സാറി പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് അവൻ എന്തോ ഒരു പിടിവള്ളി കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതേ പിടിച്ചാണ് അവൻ കയറിയത്.
ഹലോ മലക്കപ്പാറ സ്റ്റേഷൻ.
Oh God!
അവന് ചെറിയ ആവേശമുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ആവേശമല്ല സാറേ, ആവശ്യം. ചില പോലീസ് ഓഫീസേഴ്സ് ആർ thoroughly prejudiced.
ചെറിയ എനിക്കിട്ട് പണിത് ആരെയും ഞാൻ മറക്കത്തില്ല. സിനിമ ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ കരുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും.
സിനിമയില് മാത്രല്ല ജീവിതത്തിലും അവള് നല്ലൊരു നടിയായിരുന്നു.
അവൾ വന്നുപോയ വഴികളിലെല്ലാം ശേഷിക്കുന്നത് ശവശരീരങ്ങളാണ്. ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഇനി മരിച്ചു വീഴുന്നത് ഞാനായിരിക്കാം, നിങ്ങളായിരിക്കാം.
I want to know who is she.
എന്തായാലും അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞതിൽ പകുതി സത്യമാണെന്ന് ആ സ്കെൽട്ടൺ കിട്ടിയപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ബാക്കി പകുതി കൂടെ സത്യമാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം.
Nice. I like this trailer. It's quite good. Jan 9th now? Oh, okay. Will I be able to catch it? So I wanted to watch Identity. Okay, let me stop this first. I wanted to watch Identity and I thought there is an evening show, and then when I went to book the tickets, it suddenly became afternoon show. So I'm hoping today, I'm recording, it's the 7th, and I'm hoping I'll be able to catch it tomorrow. So because 9th if this is releasing, and I don't know which other films are releasing, so the shows will again change. So I am hoping, if you watched Identity, please let me know what are your thoughts. I am most probably going to be watching it tomorrow. And this trailer, let's talk about this trailer now. I really like the way this has been edited. Rekha Chitram, of course, is film or a painting or a photo. Rekha is, I mean, in literal sense, it's a line. So I don't know what it entails. But Asif Ali in this cop role, I'm loving it. And thrillers, come on. Malayalam cinema and thrillers is like the best combination that I can get, honestly speaking. So 2025 for Malayalam cinema is filled with thrillers, I guess, huh? So Identity is a thriller. This film is a thriller. What are the big releases in Jan that you guys are looking forward to? Please let me know. Also, what intrigued me in this trailer is Anaswara's character because she seemed to be living a double life. And what the trailer is hinting is that she is involved in the serial killing. graphics. But as this is a Malayalam film, obviously trailers completely throw you off and the twist would be something else only. So yes, let's see if this releases here. I would definitely like to catch it, but do let me know what is the hype around this film in Kerala. And yes, now let us enjoy the success trailer of Marco. This is just for enjoyment. I thought I'm reacting to Rekha Chitram. Let me just react to Marco's success trailer also, because I've seen a couple of comments on my music channel asking me to react to this trailer or at least watch this trailer. So I thought, yeah, why not? So let's watch it. Okay, let's see how it's. Let's see from an editing standpoint only how the trailer is. They did not start with this traumatizing.
കൂടെ പോരും നിൻ ജീവിത ചെയ്തികളും സൽകൃത്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുക നീ അലസത കൂടാതെ.
എന്തിനും മടിക്കാത്ത ജോർജിനെ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഭയക്കണം. എന്നാൽ അവിടെ ഒരു നായുണ്ട്, an obedient pitbull, ദത്ത് സഹോദരൻ മാർക്കോ, a born criminal.
Superstar! Oh, wait, we have to go back.
A born criminal.
Look at that! Look at that title card, guys. I'm really happy for him. I'm really happy that he's getting all this success. Very, very happy. And he is talented, guys.
Killing you is very easy, Marco. ഈ വേദന നീ അറിയണം.
Oh, that cylinder
ഈ
scene.
കാര്യം നമ്മുടെ കളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെയാണെങ്കിൽ അവനെ കൊണ്ട് ജോർജ് സയനൈഡ് കുടിപ്പിക്കും.
Crazy action, man.
ജോർജിനെ പോലെയല്ല മാർക്കോ. He can and will go to any extent.
Oh man, painful.
കുട്ടിയെ അറുത്ത് മാംസം ഭക്ഷിച്ചവർ അറിയണം, അതിനും ഒരു ഇടയനുണ്ടായിരുന്നുവെന്ന് നാളെ ഉത്തരം കൊടുക്കേണ്ടി വരുമെന്ന്.
For the dog scene, that's the intro scene for Marco. Damn. They went all in with the. Now they did not hold back in the trailer also. Got it. This film really shocks you. Now that I'm thinking, now that I saw these scenes again, now I'm thinking about the film right now, and damn, the moment it happens in front of your eyes, like imagine going into the film without watching the trailer, without watching anything, just knowing that, oh, this is a film which is getting so much hype and is the most violent film ever made in India. And then you go and watch this. Oh my goodness. It's not for the faint-hearted, I swear. Now, because now that I'm thinking about it, damn, the scene where the family gets completely like, I mean, unalived. I cannot say a couple of words on YouTube because, the YouTube demonetizes the video, unfortunately. So yeah, when the entire family gets unalived, come on, man. Just sometimes randomly when you think about that scene, it's so traumatic. Anyway, the video, now that they've shown the scene, now I just remembered it and now I'm thinking about it and feeling a little bit traumatized. Yes. So anyway, this is edited really well. I like how they did not hold back in the trailer. Let us show you a glimpse of the brutality that is going to be there. But as this is the success trailer, I am really, really happy for Unni and the entire team of Marco. They are getting a lot of recognition and a lot of hype, which is great. And it's just great for Malayalam cinema overall. This is the kind of hype that I wanted this industry to have. And if Marco is paving the way, then yeah, why not? Why not? Because I think this is the era of right now everybody is flocking to the theaters to watch the big budget, not big budget. Marco is also made on a significant budget, which is 30 crores, if I'm not wrong. But I'm just saying that, the larger than life action films is what people are demanding. And just this coming out of Malayalam cinema is shocking as well as non-shocking thing to happen, because this industry has always been known for pushing the boundaries of storytelling. So yes, if it had to be this violent, then it had to come from this industry. I think it makes sense to me. In my head it makes sense, or maybe I'm justifying it to myself. I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts. But yes, that was the reaction to both the trailers. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and with that I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.